Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I am super excited, simply over the moon today to bring you an unboxing of the brand new low-end graphic card that was announced by AMD, the Radeon RX 5700 XT. I've got the AIB Nitro Plus OC here by Sapphire. All right, so without further ado, let's get the unboxing underway. As you guys can see, I've opened it up so we don't waste too much time with that. So the box isn't like too different, although I like the way Sapphire does things. The box is a bit more simplistic, like it doesn't just overwhelm you with information just going whoomp, you know. That's it, you know, nothing on the sides. That's basically it. All right, let's get this bad boy out of the case. That'll probably help. Put the box on the side. All right, so that's basically it. Brown cardboard box. Inside you get the protection in there. What do you have here? So you have the product warranty by Sapphire, okay, explaining some of the BIOS and stuff like that, and not to mishandle it by like overstressing it and all that stuff, and how it's not covered. So that's just the manufacturer. That's the installation guide. All right. Okay, wow, straight off, it's a lot lighter than the other two, the 6800 XT and the 6900 XT. All right, so this is an AIB, a proper AIB, not a reference AIB card. Let's get this out of the box. Okay, wow guys, look at that beautiful card here. All right, so 3-fan design. As you can see nowadays, a lot of the cards are being like 2 on one side and the other one dissipating in another angle. Let's look at the sides first of all. All right, so you get a HDMI and 2 display ports with it. 2 HDMI and 2 display ports. Other than that, got a bit of RGB happening up here. All right, nice simplistic design, which is what I like to see. All right, so hold it like this. You've got RGB happening in the back as well. Nice metal back plate, nice and strong. RGB over here, a lot of cutouts here. I like to see that, a lot of cutouts here. Let all the heat dissipate through here, you know, all these cutouts. All right, so the BIOS switch is over here, which doesn't really say what it does. So eco mode probably. Now that's the end of it. It's not covered. Looks a bit crooked, but maybe that's me. Anyways, that's the other side. Alright guys, that's basically it. If you liked this and you can't wait for me to review it, please do drop a comment letting me know that. Like the video so other people can find it, and obviously please do subscribe because that really helps the channel out. And I also have Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, and you can follow me there. That'll be great. And I have Patreon as well. All right guys, thanks for sticking to the end. Let me know in the comments what you think and what you guys would like me to pair this up against. Anyways, this is it. Take care. Bye bye.